Here I'm going to show you how to add headings and subheadings to content within an aPrompt website. So click on the page you want to edit. Now, currently we've got no content in this web page. By default, the website will show you straight to the content of the web page. The first heading is the heading 1, and this is the main point of the website page. So this is where you put your very keyword rich heading. Maximum 5 words, no more than that please, for SEO purposes. So you would write heading here, and then you can add lots of information for different subjects within your content here. If you're copying from a Word document, you must click Edit, Paste as Text first. This removes any formatting in your pasted content. So once you've toggled that on, you can paste your information. Let's do a couple of paragraphs. So I've already got my heading 1. One would only have one heading 1 per page per subject matter. The following headings would be just going down in numbers, so heading 2, 3, 4, 5. You probably won't use anything more than a heading 5 actually, or heading 6, but you can if you want to. The information is there for you to use. So I'm going to change this to a heading 2. So you highlight the words, choose from the paragraph drop down menu the heading that you want. Because we've already got a heading 1, we won't be using that one again. You can use heading 2. And then the next one, you could use a heading 3. And the next one, heading 4. And so on and so forth. You can see that they go down in size and style depending on the website design that aPrompt has designed you. But they also go down in importance for search engines. So most important one is heading 1. Second important is heading 2, and then heading 3 and heading 4 and so on. And just click Save Changes to save your changes.